Then there is also an installation performance summary table, which may be set up with some slightly different columns to what you're seeing here. But the idea is each row represents an individual installation, and there's some summary information either about its specification or the results in the table. The table is configurable, so if you go to edit columns, if something is missing and you want to add it, if you go to edit columns, on the left hand side here you get a series of, there's hundreds and hundreds of fields with information in, but you can search for them. You can filter through those fields if you're interested in a particular exceedance probability level. If you're looking for a particular value, like I don't know, excess generation values, we haven't got any of those here, but let's say our abbreviation for levelized cost of energy is LCORG, levelized cost of renewable generation. This is for historical values. So from all the values that are available in Energymetric, we have something called the real levelized cost of renewable generation at the EP50 level, and I can add that to my generation table by clicking on that value there. So you can add columns to this table. Anything that's in blue is clickable or linkable. You'll see over here that there is a little sigma sign against the levelized cost of renewable generation that I've added to this table. If I click on that, that will go away and it will create a spreadsheet with a levelized cost of energy calculation within it. I will just drag that out for you. Here we go. That has just been downloaded onto my system, and I've just pulled this into the window so that you can see it here. So what we have here is a spreadsheet with a number of tabs. This shows you the derivation of that levelized cost of energy figure. These are all the cash flows. The levelized cost of energy is down here, that LCORG value. All the inputs that have gone into this scenario are listed here in this particular tab, and you can change them. This is a working spreadsheet with formulae, so if you wanted to change the capex assumption, if I just make this a little bigger, our capex assumption is there. I'm just going to highlight that for you, and the actual value, if I can just make this slightly bigger, the levelized cost of energy for that, the levelized cost of renewable generation for that is $0.48 US per kilowatt hour. You can change that to pounds if you wish. There we go. So 0.034 pence per kilowatt hour. But if you want to change that capex value, you could just type in a new capex value up there. Or we do have some sensitivity fields that allow you to change it as well. So if I wanted to say, well, what if that capex value is 10% bigger? I write 10% into there. And if you watch my little cell down there, that 3.7 goes up to 3.9 or 0.039. So you can do sensitivity calculations within this spreadsheet if you want to do sensitivity around the assumptions. So that's a little feature of one of the outputs. So I'm not going to save that for now. I'm just going to get rid of that. If I can make it go away. There we go. So that came from that little sigma sign over there, but the rest of the information is there. All this information can be downloaded if you click on the download button there.